From Penang to Tianjin by train. Woke up at 6. By Thailand. Paperwork for Laos. Straightforward to the downtown of Vientiane. I know China built this railway, but I didn't expect this. The character font, the sign of entrance, it feels like I'm in China. The security, same.
Even the layout, it's the same. Look at the color, the dark blue color and the signs and the font and the screen. The train is also the same. It's like the 高铁 in China. Same. All the same. I'm arriving at Prabang. I don't know how to say that in English, but in Chinese it's Prabang. I will stay here for 2 days, I guess, and then I will go back to China. Prabang that still look like a specific, like typical Chinese railway station. Prabang.
From Penang to Tianjin by train. Woke up at 6.